Hi everyone, my name is Adrian. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Liquefy. So welcome to the DeFi Summit. I'm very honored to share with you some of my views on the recent DeFi space and what actually Liquefy does. So we entered the DeFi space in 2020. We have been incubating several projects. Later on, I'll talk more about that. But overall, since last summer, when we look at DeFi, the first area that we looked at is synthetic asset. And for the past 8 to 9 months, actually the space has changed a lot in terms of the maturity, in terms of the stakeholders involved in the ecosystem. As a company, we are very keen to look at whether it's synthetic asset, a new form of AMMs, and in general, we are very interested in how real asset, such as private company stocks, such as liquid stocks, how they could be assets in the DeFi space. So even though the DeFi space has grown a lot over the past 8 months, we see quite a few pain points there, and obviously the space is quite difficult to enter in terms of the product. Is not that user friendly as a traditional financial product. There's a lot of innovations coming up that is trying to improve UI UX, or whether it's not just about the underlying blockchain technologies. So at Liquefy, we actually formulate incubation arm called Liquefy Labs since January time this year. So to structurize our effort in terms of incubating portfolios. So last year we started off with a project called Libyan Finance. It's a synthetic asset exchange. Its trading volume is the largest globally now, larger than other competitors. We aim at bringing liquid asset exposure such as indexes, whether it is crypto index or even stock indexes into crypto space, so that you can trade real world asset exposure without any hassle. But then we start to realize that not just liquid indexes are interesting to crypto users, but also about private company stocks. So for example, SpaceX. So in March time, we actually launched the Convergence Finance, which is an AMM to trade between real world asset exposure and utility tokens. And that is a huge success because it's unseen in this space. And then recently, we actually a lot of news about our newly incubated project, Libyan Finance, which I think is a foundational block of real asset in DeFi, because it's a data oracle to provide updated pricing for private companies. Imagine that you could have daily updated price for SpaceX or any kind of unicorn companies out there. So we have formulated an ecosystem which aims to bring real asset exposure into crypto, and that's something that we really love day in, day out. So if people ask me, am I interested in NFT space? We are closely looking at NFTs and primarily with the focus on how NFT to take in some of the DeFi mechanisms, such as the yield farming, such as the mechanisms to generate yield for users, and we are definitely looking into that. So upcoming trends in DeFi, I'm still very bullish around how the whole traditional finance infrastructure can be moved into crypto. We are looking into options and trading products such as derivative, how we can create volatility product on top of some of the protocols such as Libyan Finance. Overall, I think 2 or 3 years down the line, most of the financial institutions will consider partial decentralization of what they're doing or the products they're offering. So that's kind of a quick introductions about Liquefy and some of my brief views on DeFi. And again, welcome to the DeFi Summit, and I'm looking forward to talk to you guys. Thank you.